Where our brain is at. Who's playing trumpet 1 and trumpet 2?
Amy's on trumpet 1.
Who's trumpet 2? Okay. 44. I should have heard sound. Instead, we were twiddling our thumbs. 2, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. That is like 4 measures to put a harmony in. And some of you are drooling at me at measure 53. I don't understand it. Start at 41. 1, 2, 41, go. Measure 51 and you should have a measure of rest there at 51. And you come back in at 52 with the brass figure. Start at 41 again. 1, 2, 41, go. Okay. Is there also a reason you're not playing at 44?
I was talking.
I know. You two play 30, 44. Play it. 1, 2, red.